Whether you're a seasoned Windows veteran or a rookie user new to Windows, we've put together some of our favorite tips and tricks to help make your experience better while using Windows 11 on your Dell computer. When you have too many windows open, it's a snap to arrange and organize how your windows are displayed on screen. To arrange them, select the window you want to snap into place and press either the Windows key and right arrow or the Windows key and the left arrow to snap the window to that side of the screen. You can also move the window up or down into a desired corner by using the Windows key and up arrow or the Windows key and down arrow. Use Windows key and Z to choose a snap layout to organize your apps on screen. If you have kids or share your PC with kids, Kids Mode in Microsoft Edge helps protect kids to explore the web safely. You can easily enable Kids Mode by opening Microsoft Edge, click on your profile icon, then on Other Profiles, and then select Browse in Kids Mode and follow the steps to allow them to browse the internet with only age-appropriate content. To learn about computer processors and how they work, click the link shown for a detailed explanation. Windows 11 has its own virus and threat protection, which couldn't be simpler to use. Go into Settings, select Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. Under Protection Areas, select Virus and Threat Protection, and in the next window, click the Quick Scan button to start the scan. The results will list any threats found. Watch our step-by-step tutorial to using Dell Support Assist onboard diagnostic tests by clicking the link shown. Keyboard shortcuts do save time, so here's a few more of the most useful keyboard shortcuts that come with Windows 11. The Windows key and D minimizes everything on the screen onto the taskbar. The Windows key and S will open the personalized search bar. The Windows key and L locks the system. Use the Windows key plus Shift plus S to capture a full screen or snip just a part of it. Windows key and W will open the widgets board, while Windows key and E will open the File Explorer. Use the Windows key plus V to access your clipboard history. And switch between your open windows and virtual desktops by using the Windows key plus the Tab key. Interested in other tips and tricks? Click the link shown to learn how to improve your Google Chrome browsing experience. If you have any questions or need any help, you can always contact us through social media for assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others are chatting about. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get access to all our support videos. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.